All right, so let's go over our text evidence for our first question. The question reads, the attendance at Whaley's first soccer camp suggests that members of the community were... So let's read our paragraph to try and find the answer. Whaley established a program called Kicking for Hunger. He organized his own soccer camp for children and asked them to bring canned goods to pay for the training. This allowed many children to participate, and the children who attended the camp helped hungry people in the community by supporting the food banks with their canned goods. Whaley's project was a success. During the 3-day camp, more than 70 children were able to play soccer. Better still, about 1,500 pounds of food was collected and donated to the food banks. So again, we're looking for the attendance at Whaley's soccer camp suggests that the members of the community were F, unfamiliar with the game of soccer. Is that what we get from this? No, nowhere in here did it talk about people being unfamiliar with the game of soccer. G, willing to support his efforts to help others. Yes, because we have people who are helping hungry people in the community by supporting the food banks with their canned goods. So that shows us right there that they are willing to support others. We're going to move this down. And again, I don't need everything that's in here. I don't need the children to participate, and I don't need Whaley's project was a success, but I included everything that supports answer choice G. But we want to make sure that we look at all of our answer choices. H, more interested in helping food banks than in soccer. This paragraph never told us that. J, eager for him to become president of the organization. This paragraph never mentioned Whaley becoming president of the organization. So our answer here is G. Good job if you got G. Not number 5, sorry, that's paragraph 5. Number 27, according to the article, what is one way Whaley achieves his goal of providing soccer instruction to children? So we have Whaley thinks that one of the reasons his camp was successful is the effort of volunteers. Many of the coaches are teenagers who want to help others. The coaches try to teach children that it is important to enjoy playing soccer than to win the game. It's more important. The children who attend the camps will have fun and also feel good about helping hungry families. Kicking for Hunger is proof that the efforts of one person can lead to differences in the lives of many. So, what is one way that Whaley achieves his goal of providing soccer instruction to children? A, he asked newspaper reporters to inform others about soccer camps. Were newspaper reporters mentioned anywhere in this paragraph? No, A is not our answer. B, he asked local food banks to provide local locations for soccer camps. Is there anywhere in here where he asked food banks to provide locations? No, B is not our answer. C, he trained school teachers to become qualified coaches. Did you see teachers anywhere in here? We're awesome, but we were not mentioned in this paragraph. No, C is not our answer. D, he depends on teenagers to volunteer as coaches. That is exactly what this sentence right here says. And our first sentence tells us he thinks that one of the reasons that his camp was successful is because of the volunteers. Who are the volunteers? The teenagers. So there's our text evidence. That is what you should have highlighted. And the answer here is D. Going to the next question. What is one benefit of Whaley winning the Reader's Choice Hero of the Year award? Since Whaley started the program, Kicking for Hunger has collected more than 16,000 pounds of food and taught soccer skills to more than 1,000 children. Now a busy college student, Whaley still serves as president of the organization and helps make important decisions about it. Kicking for Hunger has set a goal of bringing soccer camps to other states by 2014 and other countries by 2016. Thanks to his efforts, Whaley was named People's Magazine's Reader's Choice Hero of the Year for 2011. The prize money he received from the award will be used to help support Kicking for Hunger's increasing number of programs. So, what was the benefit? Down here is where they talked about him winning the magazine's Reader Choice Hero of the Year. The prize money, let's make this a little bit smaller. The prize money he received from the award will be used to support Kicking for Hunger's increasing number of programs. I'm going to move this over so we can highlight that part as well. Right here. So let's look at our answer choices and see which one supports that. Is it A, he was able to focus on a new career? Would his new career benefit, or would his new career be the benefit of him winning that award? That is not what was said here, so A is not our answer. B, he was able to choose an experienced president for his organization. That's not what's mentioned in this highlighted section, because we know this is our text evidence, so B is not our answer. C, he received advice about how to be an effective soccer coach. Again, that is not what we have here. C is not our answer. D, he was able to use his prize money to help his organization. Right here, that's what it says. The prize money received will help support Kicking for Hunger. So our answer here is D. You see how text evidence is just so helpful. It just guarantees that your answer is correct. Let's see, number 36. What is one way that Kicking for Hunger is different from the Care Bags Foundation? Kicking for Hunger continues to offer soccer training to children in exchange for food donations. The soccer camps are usually held for 3 or 4 days in the summer and are open to children 5 to 14 years of age. Because all skill levels are welcome, the coaches focus on teaching soccer basics such as passing and shooting. The coaches also teach children about staying healthy by exercising and eating the right foods. During the school year, Kicking for Hunger offers clinics that are usually held for 1 to 3 days. Children attending these clinics can practice their soccer skills. So how is Kicking for Hunger different from the other passages we read, Care Bags? A, Kicking for Hunger accepts donated items to give to communities in need. That is something that both passages did, so F is not our answer. G, Kicking for Hunger focuses on meeting the needs of children in the community. The need that they're meeting is the fact that there is hunger in their community, so they're trying to help feed people. And they're not only focusing on feeding children, they're focusing on feeding anyone. Okay, so G is not our answer. H, Kicking for Hunger needs a leader to decide how best to support a community. That was not mentioned anywhere in this passage. J, Kicking for Hunger provides training in exchange for donations to help the community. Right up here, it says Kicking for Hunger continues to offer soccer training to children in exchange for food donations. So that exact answer is supported by our very first sentence. So there is our text evidence. And that way we know our answer is J. Next we have number 38. Kicking for Hunger is different from the Care Bag Foundation in that, let's see, so here we have a paragraph from Kicking for Hunger, and then we have a paragraph from Care Bag Foundation. Bring canned goods to pay for the training. This allows many children to participate. The children who attend the camp help hungry people in the community by supporting the food banks with their canned goods. Whaley's project was a success. Care Bags Foundation. Wignall talked to her parents about her idea and then got to work. She went to businesses in her town and asked people to donate toys, games, toothbrushes, soap, and shampoo. She and other volunteers placed these items in bags to give to children who need them. Annie named her project Care Bags. I'm just realizing that we need 2 separate highlighted bars. So if you right click and then you click copy and then right click and click paste, you can get another bar. So let's see, how are they different? F, Kicking for Hunger has adopted more goals to meet while the CARE Bags Foundation has kept the same goal but helped additional children. Is that what we read? No, it is not. F is not our answer. G, volunteers are needed to operate Kicking for Hunger, while the CARE Bag Foundation can operate without volunteers. Is that what we read? No, it is not. G is not our answer. H, Kicking for Hunger donates food to assist people of all ages, while CARE Bag Foundation donates toys and other items to children only. Let's see, we have, they bring food, pay for training. I'm going to go with, and the children who attended the camp helped hungry people in the community by supporting the food banks with their canned goods. So that supports this part of the answer, that they donate to assist people of all ages. And then we have, she and other volunteers placed items in the bags to give to children who needed them. So that supports this part of the answer. CARE Bags Foundation donates toys and other items to children only. So H could very well be our answer. Let's look at J. Kicking for Hunger has assisted children in several countries, while CARE Bag Foundation has assisted only children in the United States. Nowhere was that mentioned in these paragraphs. So our answer here is H. And lastly, which words from paragraph 3 best help the reader understand what appropriate means? So here we see we have the underlined word appropriate, but we need to read the whole paragraph to get the context of the word. How does the project help others? First, people who work with children let Annie's group know about children who have lost their homes or experienced other difficulties. Then Wignall's friends and other volunteers fill bags to fit the needs of those children. They have bags that are appropriate for children of different ages. After the bags are filled, they are sent to children who need them. Let's look at our answer choices. F, people who work with children. So them having bags that are appropriate for children of different ages, does that have anything to do with people who work with children? No, we're trying to focus on the children, not the people who work with them. F is not our answer. G, volunteers fill bags. Did the volunteers who fill the bag have anything to do with appropriate bags for children of different ages? No, they do not, besides the fact that they're filling the bags. G is not our answer. H, fit the needs of. So are these bags going to fit the needs of children of different ages? That makes sense, and that helps us to figure out what the word appropriate means. So we can go and highlight that sentence with the needs of those children. But we want to make sure we look at all of our answer choices just to make sure. J, experience other difficulties. Does that have anything to do with these bags being appropriate for the children of different ages? No. So our answer here is H. After you are done with this assignment, you are going to turn it in. And I know I said that we're going to move on to the word study, but I didn't realize how long this video would take. So we're not going to have a word study. We're just going to move straight on to today's assignment.